God damn it, what is wrong? Let's see. All right, let's see if this remote air works. I don't know what's what, so let's see. Now we that way. So we go. Here we go. Ain't no way in the back. In the front. No air going up in the front either. That's all right when I get the tanks filled up. Ooh-wee. Would you just look at it? It's not even all the way down either. In case you don't believe me. I got a little bit more to go in the ass. A little more in the front. Oh yeah. I can't wait to get it to go up now once I get the tanks right. That's what I'm working on right now, so. Yep. Come on, Ruckus. He getting there. He getting there. The airbags working on their own, baby. What?